Welcome back to BFM Sofa Poshish. We're excited to share some of our latest picks with you today. Side tables and bedroom furniture. We have a stunning bed set that's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your bedroom. It's made of high quality materials and features a sleek design that's sure to impress. We have a pair of side tables that are perfect for any bedroom. They're made of solid wood and have a modern, minimalist design that's both functional and stylish. We have a beautiful sofa that's perfect for any living room. It's made of premium materials and features a comfortable design that's sure to make your guests feel right at home. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into our latest offerings. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more updates on the latest trends in home furnishings. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.